Here's why you can't go wrong with Nexus Rewards and the Nexus Snap compensation plan. Welcome to Team Go Mode. It's your man Earl, Batman Stringer. Now, I'm tired of talking about it, all right? But I ain't gonna stop, all right? Nexus Snap is one of the best new network marketing / affiliate marketing opportunities out there. A lot of people are starting to get the word about Nexus Snap and they're starting to join this opportunity. And one of the key benefits about joining Nexus Snap and this opportunity is you really can't go wrong with it, because it's one of the few opportunities out there that you can actually get real benefits without having to recruit nobody or without having to get any affiliates or referrals. Because as a Nexus Snap member, if you just actually use the services and the apps that come with the program, you can actually start earning some extra cash and pretty much saving money every time you shop on or offline. Now, of course, if you decide to become an affiliate and you want to start building up like a monthly income, then yes, you want to actually promote this opportunity. So I talk about all the time in my videos how once you become a premium member of Nexus, you're going to get access to our Facebook page. And in that Facebook group, you're going to see all of the success stories that are happening within Nexus Snap. All right. So like when people ask me like, yo, what's a good make money online program? What's a good opportunity? Or what are you doing right now? I always tell people about Nexus Snap. All right. And I'm in 3 network marketing opportunities, but I really like Nexus Snap because of the fact that you can actually be making money and putting money back in your pocket just as a member. I will stress to you, if you join Nexus Snap, all right, straight up, keeping it real. If you join Nexus Snap and you don't use the apps and the benefit programs as a member, and you don't promote Nexus Snap, then yeah, it's a waste of time, a waste of money. You're not going to make money. You're not going to earn money. But as long as you're at least willing to use the actual discount apps and programs, it's a win-win situation. Or should I say it's a no-lose situation. You're going to benefit as a Nexus Snap member if you use the services. It's that simple. Then when it comes to the actual business opportunity side of Nexus, like I stress people, right? When they ask me, I'm like, did you look at the compensation plan? They're like, nah, not really. I'm like, listen, take some time to watch the Nexus Snap compensation plan, because if you are into network marketing or affiliate marketing, once you actually watch the comp plan and really take it in and understand the earning potential, you're probably gonna want to jump in. You're probably going to want to start promoting this opportunity, because when you see it and you realize how easy it is and how Nexus Snap has such a mass appeal, you can be like, well, hell, I gotta at least try it. It's a no-lose situation. As long as you use the service, you can't go wrong as a Nexus Snap member. So if you haven't joined Nexus yet and you're ready to check out the opportunity, you already know. Click that link in the description and I will see you on the team.